In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add images to a table in Notion. Using a files and media property makes your database more visual and easier to organize. Let's get started. Create a new database or open an existing table in Notion. If your table doesn't already have an image column, click the plus button to add a new property. Then choose Files and Media as the property type. Click a cell in the Files and Media column and upload an image from your computer. You can also drag and drop an image into the cell or paste an image link if supported. Once the image is uploaded, a thumbnail will appear in the table. You can resize the column if needed to make the preview easier to see. To replace or remove an image, click the cell and choose the appropriate option. Repeat the process for any other rows where you want to add images. That's how to put an image in a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.